How to resize an image in Paint on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can resize an image in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, select the image that you would like to resize. Head over to your image, right click on it, and here click on open with. After that, you have to select Paint. That's gonna open up your image in Paint. Now to resize your image, navigate to this menu bar at the top. On your left hand side at the top, there is an option as Resize. Click on it. Then you will see this resize box in this interface. You can select pixels, and on the pixels, now you can select your horizontal pixels and your vertical pixels according to your preferences or according to the way you want to resize. So once you're done selecting your preferred horizontal and vertical pixels, click on OK, and according to your preferred choice, your image will be resized in image or in the Paint. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.